What is up, everyone? My name is Adriana Ballou, and I am very excited to make this video. So I discovered that YouTube has a lot of space quiz videos, and I decided to test my knowledge about space on the internet. And as some of you may know, I am currently studying astrophysics, and I'm super passionate about astronomy and becoming an astrophysicist someday. This should be easy, right? Like, I've learned about planets, galaxies, black holes. I should at least get most of these right. Hopefully. But we're about to find out. So today I'm going to take a space quiz from easy level all the way to hard level. And I want you guys to play along with me too. So let me know in the comments what score you got.
Alrighty then. Are you ready to test your knowledge of the universe? We've
Yes,
got 40 questions for you. Let's see how long you can last. Now, let's get going with the easy level. Can you guess the celestial body from this photo?
Yeah, that's Saturn. Obvious answer. C.
With those famous rings? Of course it's Saturn. What force keeps us grounded on Earth? Magnetism, gravity, or friction?
Gravity. B. B.
It's gravity, the same force that put an apple on Newton's smart head. The moon is an asteroid, a satellite, or a planet.
B. Answer is B.
The moon is a natural satellite of Earth. Which star is closest to our planet? The North Star,
My nose keeps
Alpha
itching for some
Centauri,
reason.
or the Sun?
The sun. The sun. The sun is a star,
Well,
y'all.
it would be weird if it wasn't the Sun. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Is this true or false?
True. It's true. But I heard somewhere that they are planning on making
The
it into
answer
a
is
planet
true.
again.
Poor
I might be
Pluto
wrong. I
got
don't
kicked
know.
out of the main planet
Let me know in the
sequence,
comments.
but joined its own family of dwarf planets in our solar system. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter, Pluto, or Earth?
Jupiter. Jupiter. Pluto's too small to be a planet.
It's Jupiter, the gas giant. What planet is known as the red planet? Venus, Mars,
Mars.
or Jupiter?
B.
It's Mars. NASA's Curiosity rover showed us all its awesome red-orange desserts. Wait a minute, I mean deserts. My bad.
I used to do that too.
The sun is a planet, a comet, or a star.
C. It's a star. Everyone knows that.
The sun is a star, which was kind of spoiled in question 4. What event marks the beginning of the universe according to science? The Great Fission, the Big Bang, or the Huge Boom? Yeah, the answer is the Big Bang, hence the name Big Bang Theory. Black holes exist. True or false?
They do exist. It was recently proven. So it's true.
The answer is true. We weren't sure before, but now we have even 2 photos of them. How many did you get? Write in the comments.
10 out of
Now
10.
let's move to the medium level. Guess the name of this scientist.
B? Your name is B? I honestly don't know who that is.
This is a portrait of Albert Einstein.
What?
What
Oh,
can
that's
we
Albert
call a group of
Einstein.
stars
Okay.
forming a recognizable pattern? A galaxy, constellation, or nebula?
Constellation.
It's a constellation. Although, to be fair, galaxies and nebulas are also full of stars in different patterns. What is this phenomenon called? A lightning bolt, a shooting star, or an aurora borealis?
A shooting star. B. Did you know that shooting stars are actually not stars?
This is
They're
a
actually
shooting
meteors?
star. Hey, make a wish. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Venus, Mercury, or
Mercury.
Mars?
Mercury. Mercury.
The answer is Mercury. Remember that Pluto is a dwarf planet. How many planets are in our solar system? Give yourself some time to count.
8. There's 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus,
We have
Neptune.
8 major planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Who is the first person to walk on the moon?
Neil
Jeff
Armstrong.
Bezos, Neil Armstrong, or Elon Musk?
Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong. He's the only astronaut on the list. What is the name of our galaxy?
The Milky Way.
The Andromeda Galaxy,
The
or
Milky
the
Way.
Seal Way? The Milky Way, like the chocolate bar. And the Andromeda Galaxy is our nearest neighbor. Man has already walked on Mars. Is this true or false?
That is false. That is false. That is false. Nobody's ever walked on Mars yet.
The answer is false. Only robots have been on Mars. But NASA believes that the first human Mars mission will take place in the 2030s. Saturn
y'all excited for
is
that? I'm
a
excited for
gas
that.
planet, Earth-like planet, or dwarf planet.
Saturn is a gas giant. A gas giant planet. So it's A.
Saturn is a gas giant, just like Jupiter. They're the biggest planets in our solar system. The Earth rotates on its own axis. True or false?
That is true. That is true. That is true.
It's true. The Earth rotates while it revolves around the Sun, which is why we have days and nights. Well, that level was a bit tougher. Are you keeping up so far? Well, prepare for the hard level.
Ooh, hard level.
What
We're
is
getting
this
good.
object called?
A.
This is actually a telescope, specifically the James Webb telescope.
I almost
it's
said
based in
something else.
space
I almost
instead
said
of
something
on
else.
Earth.
But yeah, I had a feeling it was A.
Which of these planets has the most moons? Saturn, the Earth, or Mars?
Saturn. Earth only has 1 moon. Mars only has 2. Phobos and Deimos. Saturn has mostly.
While we have only 1 moon and Mars has 2, Saturn has 146 moons, all because of its huge size and crazy gravity. Which planet is the farthest from the Sun? Uranus, Neptune, or Jupiter?
Neptune.
It's Neptune. We mentioned it when counting the number of planets. It was also in order. How long does it take for light from the Sun to reach Earth?
8 minutes.
8 minutes, 24 hours, or
Takes
a
8
second?
minutes.
Now remember that light also travels at a certain speed. It's 8 minutes, 20 seconds. The speed of light is 186,000 miles per second. What is the hottest color for a star? Yellow, orange, or
I'm pretty
blue-white?
sure it's blue. I'm pretty sure it's blue-white. It's C. It's C.
The answer is, surprisingly, blue or blue-white. A bit counterintuitive, right? What is the true color of the Sun? White,
It's
yellow,
white.
or red?
It's white. It's white.
The answer is white. This makes sense because we know that white light, which comes from the Sun, breaks down in all the colors. So we only see the Sun as yellow because the atmosphere filters some of them. Earth has the most volcanoes in our solar system. True or false?
True. False. False. I don't know why I said true. It's false. It's false. I think Mars is.
It's false. Venus is the one
Venus.
with most
Venus,
of
my
the
bad.
volcanoes. It's actually the most toxic and crazy planet in our solar system.
That is true.
What is the name of the galaxy closest to the Milky Way? If you watch the video
Andromeda.
carefully, you'll get
A.
this one. It's the Andromeda Galaxy. But while it's our closest neighbor, it's still 2.5 million light years away. In our solar system, Uranus, Neptune, or Pluto?
I'm pretty sure it's Uranus. I'm pretty sure it's Uranus, yeah.
It's Uranus. Pluto's not a planet. And you think that it should be Neptune since it's farther away from the sun, and average temperatures on Neptune are colder, minus 330 degrees Fahrenheit. But the lowest number, about minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit, was recorded on Uranus. So this place can also be considered the coldest planet. Now, which planet has the most moons?
I'm pretty sure it's Saturn. Yeah, I think Saturn has the most moons.
Well, we mentioned this one before. It's Saturn, with an insane number of moons. Cool. Pat yourself on the shoulder for that one. Finally, let's tackle the impossible level. Good luck. What's the maximum speed of light in a vacuum? 1,000,000 miles per second, 186,000 miles per second, or 42 miles per second? If you don't know, try to guess this one. It's 186,000 miles per second. And the distance that light covers in 1 year of traveling is called 1 light year. Now, on which planet can you jump the highest? The Earth, Venus, or Mercury?
Mercury, I'm guessing? Pretty sure it's Mercury.
On Mercury, it's the smallest and lightest planet in our solar system, so the gravity there is very weak.
I honestly didn't know that, guys. I was thinking it was
What is the
Venus,
main component
but
of the
I had a
sun?
feeling it was Mercury.
Oxygen,
but
hydrogen,
I feel like
or
it was
nitrogen?
Venus. But I also felt like it was Venus. Hydrogen. Hydrogen, helium.
The answer is hydrogen. It's what makes up most stars, and it's the most common element in the entire universe. What is the approximate age of the universe? 3 billion years,
B.
13.8 billion years, or
13.8
100 billion
billion
years? Well, it's 13.8 billion years. Meanwhile, our sun is about 4.6 billion years old. Hey, I wasn't around then. Guess the name of this guy.
Oh, that's easy. That's C. Isaac Newton. That's easy.
This is a portrait of Isaac Newton. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus, Mercury, or Earth?
Venus. Team Venus. That's my favorite planet. Team Venus.
Well, you might think it's Mercury because it's closest to the sun, but it's actually Venus. Like we said, it's the most toxic and volcanic planet we have around here. What type of star is the sun classified as? A red giant, a white dwarf, or yellow dwarf?
It's a yellow dwarf, y'all. It's a yellow dwarf. It's C.
Even though the sun's light is white, the sun is a yellow dwarf, one of the colder star types. There's a black hole in the center of most big galaxies. True or false?
True. That's true.
That's actually true. While they don't suck in the entire galaxy, supermassive black holes usually hang out in the centers. What phenomenon causes the northern lights? Earth's magnetic field, cosmic rays, or black holes?
A. Earth's magnetic field.
It's the Earth's magnetic field. When sun particles reach the Earth and interact with the atmosphere, they release bright energy, which causes beautiful colors in the sky. Time for some math. If the speed of light is 186,000 miles per second and it reaches the Earth in 8 minutes, what is the distance between Earth and the sun? Bonus point for calculating this in your mind.
93 million miles.
It's about 93 million miles. Now, did you crack the impossible level? All right, let's see if you're smart enough to answer the final bonus question.
Bonus question,
If you were
y'all.
standing on the moon and the Earth was directly overhead in the lunar sky, how often would you see the Earth rise or set?
Never.
Think about it.
That's a trick question. Never. Never.
The answer is never. The moon is tidally locked to Earth, which means that we can always see its one side, while the other side is always hiding away from us. Ooh, maybe it's shy. So the Earth would stay nearly fixed in the lunar sky at all times.
That was me testing my space knowledge in front of y'all, and I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully you learned something new. I will definitely be posting more content very soon. This was actually a fun video. I definitely should do another one of these again sometime. If you guys want me to do some more quizzes, space quizzes, I would love to. Absolutely. I would love to do that. I hope to see you guys soon. Peace!